Welcome to BUNCRYP Bitcoin weekly analysis. So in this video, we are going to discuss the recent technical analysis on Bitcoin. We're going to examine where we are going to expect price projections, where we want the price to go. Then we will be able to ascertain the position or the current position we are in the markets, and then we can be able to dissect the markets, and we can give you guys informed decision on what you have to do about the market. Okay, let's get in. So before we get in, I would like you guys to know that this is educative information. We do not advise you in any way to trade this information, but whichever way you want to use the information we are giving you is up to you. So if you are with me on the same pace, let's dive in. Currently we had some projections on Bitcoin, and we told you guys about this crash before it actually happened. We talked about it in our previous video. So if you have not watched our previous technical analysis on Bitcoin, you can go through it to find out more about that. Then we also pointed out this position. We highlighted this position, and this current place that it bounced up from, we pointed it out in our previous video, and when we told the guy that is where we are expecting it to bounce up from. So currently we have some small projections we have analyzed, and we would like to share it with you guys. And if you guys want more videos like this, we would like you to please subscribe to our channel. Then one more thing we would want you guys to do for us is, if you know someone who is trading cryptocurrency or who needs this information, please endeavor to pass it to the person. So if you look at the chart, this is a daily time frame BTC USDT. So although we'll be using daily time frame for more of this analysis, we will still transcend to the weekly time frame to realign what we have said so far. So when you look at the chart, you can see what we have marked up, and the current price of Bitcoin. So at the time of this broadcast, the price of Bitcoin is 45,200 USD. So if you look at this place, you see that obviously I said in previous videos that actually we had a declining volume, and then on a small time or medium term perspective we are bullish, but in a big time perspective, that is in a comprehensive view, in a big view, we are having a bearish trend. So, and that has not changed recently. So from this formation we are seeing here, we are seeing two things happening in this consolidation, which of course we call compression. So we can see there are two things happening. We are forming a channel, as you can see in this compression, and we have already formed a peanut, whatever you call it, whether you call it bearish peanut, I don't mind. Whether you call this descending channel, I don't mind. But whatever you choose to call it, what we do know is that we are forming what we call consolidation or compression. And what does that mean? It means they are consolidating to do what? To pick up liquidity to make their next move. And which place are we expecting this liquidity to be picked up from? Obviously it is marked here in the chart. So we are expecting this correction to take place at 39,783. So that's where we are expecting this correction to take place from. And when you look at the volume, tick volume, you can see that there is an obvious decline, although we have some kind of a volatile move today based on news. But in a good perspective, when you look at the volume, you see that obviously the volume is declining, which shows a positive change. So while this compression or consolidation to peak liquidity might be a good news for short-term bullish momentum, we are still keeping our eyes on this 46k USD, because in that place we have a big formation of supply zone there. So it's a supply zone. So currently we are still bearish on Bitcoin. So but we are watching price to be able to react to this point. Then from this place, this 46K, we are expecting it to break this zone, and we're expecting it to move to 19K. While this place we marked in our previous video around this 32K, we don't expect price to hold there. But in worst case, this is the second scenario events. We have a realistic expectation of this, which I have finished saying. But if there is a change in market dimension in the future, possibly, and if the bullish momentum is expected to be kept or to hold, that means I'm expecting a break at this place. But before this break will happen at this zone, we are expecting a little correction before it happens at this zone. So if it's going to happen at this zone, and if the correction, if the supply demand zone forms at that place, we will know and we will inform you guys, and then we will now take another decision or based on that. But for now, this is the realistic expectation we are expecting in the coming days. We are expecting price to consolidate, compress, take out the buy orders at this zone. There are a lot of buy orders at this. Take it out, then come down to this level at 39,783, then come to this 46,000. Then what will happen to this 46,000 is critically question mark. But if we are going to judge by the current market momentum, we know that at this 46K, the price is going to do what? Capitulate, reverse, and then break this 39K and move down to this 32K, then finally to 19K. But if the bulls maintain their position, then we are going to see a correction, a little correction at this 46K zone. We will see a correction there, definitely. So we're going to see correction at that zone. Then we're going to see Bitcoin rally to an all-time high. So the good news is this compression is going to form a temporal bullish momentum. That's the good news. Then if the bulls maintains their weight, we are going to see it as it is hitting at this 40K level, forming a demand zone, which is going to come back, pick it up, and boom, all-time high. And if we happen to get this all-time high, which we are expecting to happen in the month of October, then we are going to face the winter, that is the bearish market. So once it breaks it out, we are going to see total capitulation. So I want you guys to tell me what you think about this technical explanation of what we expect from the current Bitcoin price. Then we'd like you to comment on the description, on the comment tab. Then tell us what you think. If you have different opinion from what we have said so far, fine and good. We are open to criticism. You can tell us what you think about it, then we'll know how to handle it. Then if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, so that we can be able to be bringing more content to you guys. So with that, that's all I got. Be blessed.